Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest smartphone from Tecno in India, the Tecno Camon iAce2X. So this is a budget offering which is priced 7600 in India and comes with quite a decent hardware. It also has a dual camera setup, 3GB RAM, 32GB storage being offered, and this is priced again competitively at 7600, and this is available offline as well. This is not an online only device, so it will be available offline as well. So that's the Tecno Camon iAce. So the box packing mentions the one-time screen replacement, 100 days replacement warranty is included, and also 12 plus 1 months warranty. That is, you get 13 months of warranty with this box package. So that's the Tecno Camon iAce2X. So the back panel also mentions the box, the features. You can see that it comes with the 5.5 inches HD plus resolution display. It has Android 8.1 Oreo, and you get Helio A22 octa-core chipset. It's a quad-core chipset. The Helio A22, it's MediaTek MTK6761, and this has iOS 4.1, which is based on Android 8.1. So it has 3 SIM card slots, 2 dedicated as SIM card slot and 1 SD card slot, and it is available in 3 colors. And this also comes with a 13 megapixel rear camera plus a VGA secondary camera along with an 8 megapixel front facing camera. It also has 3050 mAh capacity battery. So that's the device. So let's go into the detailed aspects. So let's open the box package. So we have the 3 plus 32GB storage variant, and it is Nebula Black variant. So there are 3 variants. It is available in Champagne Gold, Midnight Black and Nebula Black. So let's open the box package and see the device. So opening up, you can see the device on the top. So let's just take this out. So there you go, that's the device. So you can see that the Nebula Black variant has a gradient color. You can see that's the gradient color. It's a bluish color at the bottom and black towards the top. So gradient color is something which we haven't seen in the budget segment. So Tecno is bringing that to this price segment. So you can also see the dual camera setup. It has a 13 megapixel primary camera with f-stop 1.8 aperture, secondary VGA camera for depth sensing. It has a fingerprint scanner which is having another feature called anti-oil fingerprint scanner. So even if it gets dirty, it will even detect that. Then you get a Tecno branding speaker unit, and on the right side we have the power and volume keys included. The left side does not have any openings or slots, and bottom section has the micro USB charging slot and the 3.5mm audio jack. So that's all inside the box. So you can actually remove the back panel, and then you can see the 3050 mAh capacity battery and 2 SIM card slots, and an SD card slot is also included with the box package. So that's the device. So this is a plastic material, but quite a good looking device with the gradient color. Now let's see what else comes inside the box. So you get the manual and 12 plus 1 month warranty. Again, that information is included again. Then you get the micro USB charging and data syncing cable included, and finally you also get the adapter. So let's see the voltage rating of the adapter. So the adapter voltage rating is 5 volt to 1.2 amperes. So that's pretty basic charging included. So that's all inside the box. Now let's boot the device. So there you go, that's the Tecno Camon iAce2X. So it has a 5.5 inches HD plus resolution display. It does not have a notch actually, but then you can see the bezels at the bottom and the top are considerably on the larger side. So you can see that the display quality looks quite okay. It's an HD resolution, so clarity looks quite okay. The vivid colors and touch response also feels quite smooth. It has Android 8.1 Oreo. So let's go to the settings panel, and you can see that this is the iOS. So it's you can see the every other details mentioned here. 3GB RAM, 32GB storage, 8 megapixel selfie camera, and 13 plus 8 megapixel front camera, and it also has a 2 GHz Helio A22 quad-core chipset, 3050 mAh battery, and 1440 by 720p resolution, and it has Android 8.0 8.1 Oreo out of the box. So that's the features of the device. So apart from that, you also get a variety of features included on this device. Some micro intelligence gives you some additional options, gestures supported. Then let's go to the camera option. So it has a 13 and a dual camera setup. It has AI camera included, so you can see this is the AI camera. Different modes are included. You can see beauty mode, video camera is included, HDR is there, AI recognition is there, portrait bokehs are also included. If you go to the video recording, it has recording abilities for 1080p resolution. That's quite good. A lot of phones keep with 1080p resolution in the budget segment, so this has 1080p resolution. So here are some samples we have taken with the Tecno Camon IACE 2X after unboxing the device. So this is a budget offering, and the camera samples have come quite decent for the price segment. So these are some samples we have taken with the Tecno Camon IACE 2X. Now the phone also comes with a 3050 mAh capacity battery. That should be quite good enough for a day of usage. We are not sure about how much the battery lasts, but it should easily last a day with the HD plus resolution display. So this device is priced 7,600 and this will be available offline, and this has quite decent hardware for the pricing it is being offered. So this is unboxing and hands-on with the Tecno Camon IACE 2X. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.